The town of Ashburn was a quiet place, nestled between rolling hills and thick forests, but beneath its peaceful surface, a legend lingered, the tale of Dr. Victor Langley, the doctor who defied death. For over a century, whispers of his lost journals stirred curiosity and fear. Some believed they held medical secrets that could change the world. Others thought they contained something far more dangerous, but no one had ever found them. Until now, Elliot Carter, a young medical researcher, had spent years chasing the myth. He had read every account, visited every archive, and followed every lead only to find dead ends. But one evening, something changed. A letter arrived. No return address. No explanation. Just 5 words scrawled on aged paper. "I know where they are." Inside, an old map, faded ink, a single X deep within the ruins of Langley's abandoned estate. Against all logic, Elliot followed the trail, past the twisting roads, through the rusted iron gates of Langley Manor, and into the hollowed-out mansion where time had stood still. The air was thick with dust and silence. Cobwebs clung to forgotten bookshelves. The floorboards groaned under his step. But he wasn't here for books, he was searching for something hidden. By candlelight, he examined the old desk in the study. Something wasn't right. His fingers traced along the wood. Click, a hidden compartment slid open. Inside, wrapped in decayed cloth, was a wooden box, its surface carved with strange symbols. With trembling hands, Elliot pried it open. The lost journals of Dr. Langley lay before him. Page after page was filled with impossible theories, experiments that defied medical understanding, formulas that whispered of life beyond death. Then Elliot saw something else, a final entry, written in shaky, uneven script. "If you are reading this, you must stop. There are things man was never meant to know." A creak echoed through the mansion. The air turned cold. Elliot wasn't alone. He had found the journals, but something, or someone, had been waiting.